Hey, what's going on, hustlers? It's your main man, La Machine. It's another episode of Jump On It, where we help beginners find products that they can actually sell using the arbitrage business model to sell on Amazon. And the idea is to help beginners because we understand that one of the biggest hurdles for a newbie to get over is, hey, how do I source products? And yes, there are a lot of channels with great content from great creators out here, but at the end of the day, you want to walk away with some real leads that you can use right now. So that's what we're going to do. And another thing I preach about is the ability to do your sourcing literally while you're at work. You guys know that by trade, I'm a truck driver, and I can find 5 minutes to do some sourcing. And let me show you exactly how I do it. All I have to do is go right into my Tactical Arbitrage Software. It's what I talk about all the time. And all I have to do, I can go into, you see where it says always be scanning? If you could see that, all I have to do is click on that, let it load. And then all I have to do is pick my country. You see where that is? You see what opened up? I'll click United States because that's where I'm at. I'll let it load. Okay. Then I'll click on my filter manager. And when that filter manager opens, from there, I can actually filter down to whatever I want. Take a look. I can filter, for example, I can filter the source. Okay, here, let me open that up a little bit. So where do you want to source from? You see those check marks with the different stores? Now, of course, I could scroll through that, and there are all types of stores. What else can we look at? We can scroll by, let me show you. You see where my finger is? We can scroll by category. Okay? Now look at. I'm in toys and games right there, you can see. But look at your different categories that you can pick. Now watch what happens. For the purpose of this video, I'm just going to actually show you guys 2 products that you could actually get into right now. Now watch how I do this. There is a folder that I have created just for the working class hustlers. Oops, I clicked something by mistake. What I wanted to do, I wanted to go to reverse search, saved reverse, just so that I could get to the folder. If I can get to it here, just so that I could get to the folder that says Working Class Hustlers. That is the folder that I created for you, because when I find products, I want to stick them into a folder, and this is what we do, guys. So this is the reason why I suggest you subscribe to the channel. You know, people are asking you to subscribe to channels, and you have to ask yourself, okay, why? What's in it for me? So here's what we're going to do. I'm going to show you a couple of products. Let me rearrange this. Now watch what happens. You see these arrows? I'm going to click that once, and now it's got, I rearranged it to the latest products that I've added. So here's what we're going to do. We're looking at our different columns. Guys, this is no different than using the PC. Estimated monthly sales is a big one for me. When you scroll over, you want to know what your gross profit is, what your gross return on investment is. You want to know what the buy box is, the average 90-day rank, the sales rank, what the price is on Amazon. All of this stuff is available to you right here. So here we're going to start out with this product right here. And what is it? It's a Monster Jam official truck diecast vehicle. And right away, you can see that that's available at Walmart. Guys, I'm doing this right on my phone. There's nothing hard about it. The data is right there. You're talking about estimated 28 sales per month. Now, same thing all the time. You can see you're going to be doing 109% return on investment. Okay? Because your profit is going to be $4.65 after fees. Okay? And this is the price that it's selling for on Amazon. Okay? This is your price. So right here, we can go to Walmart right on your phone, guys, and we can see the product. Okay? There it is. Sold by Walmart, right? Let me see if I can reduce that so you can see it a little bit better. Can't really, hold on a second, guys. Now, here's what you got to notice. Pickup is available. Well, it was. It's not anymore, but we use this software for both retail and for online arbitrage. Now, earlier when I checked this, pickup was available, but I moved around because I'm at work. So it's kind of looking based on where I'm at. It's not available. But just to give you an idea, this is how you would use the software. Then what you want to do is actually come to the Amazon website and see what that product is selling for. And here you can see, you can go right into there, and when you filter down to your prime and your new, you'll go done, and now you're seeing your prices in the range that you saw using the software. Okay? Now all we got to do, we got one more to look at. And we'll put the links down in the description to these products. Maybe you'll be able to get them. Maybe you won't. Maybe they'll be in stock. Maybe they won't. If they're not in stock, you know what to do. Add it to your saved folder. That way you can get to it later. The system will update and tell you when it's in stock. So, same thing, guys. You're looking at what's your rank, what's your profit, what's your return on investment, what's the price on Amazon, what's the 90-day, what's the 90-day buy box, what's the 90-day rank. These are the things that you're looking at. So, without taking too much more of your time, and plus I got to get back to work, we're going to look at the product on Amazon. We're going to filter. Actually, there's actually no FBA on this product. You got 2 people selling it. Okay? What else? Then we want to see, can we get the product? I think this one was at Walmart as well. So all we're doing is looking for the link. If we can't find the link, then we'll just click the product image. That will also take you to the website. Okay, and now this one is out of stock. Now that happens, guys. That's how these products move all the time. But I'm really not worried about it because I'm constantly, looking for products to help the hustlers out. That's why you really want to come on Saturdays. We do easily 8 to 10 products in addition to the giveaways and stuff like that, the raffles. So that's the reason why you want to subscribe to the channel and join us live. Here's something I want to talk about real quick before I let you go. Because I had somebody make a comment about he thought that lists were better because, hey, with a list, you just subscribe and the person that's running the list furnishes you with a spreadsheet or whatever, and it has the products and you just buy them. And basically what he was saying was, hey, with a list, I don't have to deal with, sorting through duplicates and stuff like that. That's great. I'm not saying there's anything wrong with lists. Lists are good. But remember, this channel focuses on beginners. And with beginners, you have to be focused on developing the skills. The fact of the matter is, when you're on a list, the list does not develop your skills. The list just furnishes you products. The list says, here's some products, buy them, hope for the best. Okay, let me put it to you another way. Let's say you were subscribed to a list and you stopped that subscription. Now what do you have? Because you stopped the subscription, what are you left with? Nothing. Because being on the list taught you absolutely nothing. You didn't develop any skills. Now let's say you were using Tactical Arbitrage, which is what I recommend. And now you stop your Tactical Arbitrage subscription. What do you have? You have a set of skills, because with Tactical Arbitrage, as a beginner, you had to develop and learn skills. That is what this is all about, guys. This is especially for the beginner. This is about developing skills, okay? That's why you hear me talking about that old adage, give a man a fish, he'll eat for a day. Teach a man to fish, he'll feed himself for the rest of his life. And you guys know, I take it further than that, okay? Remember what I say. Give a man to fish, he'll eat for a day. Not good enough. Teach a man to fish, he'll feed himself for the rest of his life. Not good enough. Not good enough. I'm going to give you a fish, and guess what? You're going to be with me while I acquire the fish. That way you learn how to fish while I give you the fish. That way you get both the fish and you get the skill. You're going to be there with me. And I'm telling you, this is the bait to use. Set it like this. This is the area where you should be fishing, where you can find the best fish that you like. Here's how you cast. You got a bite. What do you do now so you don't break the line? The whole 9 yards, I teach you everything. That's the reason why you want to subscribe to the channel. That's the reason why you want to join us live. I don't just give away leads. I tell you from point A to point B, where did those leads come from? How did we evaluate it? How do we make the decision? That's what this is all about. You learn my evaluation system. And why? Why would you want to learn my evaluation system? Well, it's just like this. If you look at my Amazon Seller Central account, okay, and you see $17,660 for the month, if that's beyond where you are, if you're a beginner and you want to get to that level, learn my methods and you can at least get to that level. So I'm recommending, as always, guys, Tactical Arbitrage. But I'm not just recommending it, I'm showing you how I use it. I show you every Wednesday, I show you every Saturday. And I want you to have the free 10-day trial. And before you get the 10-day trial, I want you to take the Lightning course. We put that together so that you know how to use the software. If you're not a beginner, this probably doesn't apply to you. If you already know tactical arbitrage, then this doesn't apply to you. But for the person who's hearing about TA or tactical arbitrage for the first time, this is going to be a godsend. Because at that point, you know the software is valuable. But if you don't know how to use it, number one, you're going to be frustrated. Number two, the whole 10-day trial is going to be wasted trying to figure out how to use the software. What if you knew from the time your free 10-day trial started, what if you knew what you were doing, you were already running scans, and that way the software paid for itself. That's what this is all about, guys. So take the Lightning course, and I'll see you on Saturday. Make sure you subscribe and hit the bell notification.